Imagine partnering with like-minded businesses to tap into their client base and expand your reach. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the power of joint venture campaigns, a strategic partnership approach that can supercharge your business. So learn how to team up with complementary businesses, create irresistible offers, and attract a flood of new clients. Get ready to unlock the potential of strategic collaborations and watch your business thrive. Welcome back. Today we're diving into an exciting strategy that can skyrocket your client base and take your PT business to new heights. Have you ever considered the power of joint ventures or strategic partnerships? Well, get ready, because we're about to unlock the potential of collaborating with complementary businesses in your area. A joint venture campaign involves teaming up with other businesses that cater to a specific target audience that's similar to yours, but of course they offer complementary products or services. By partnering up, you can tap into each other's networks and gain access to a pool of potential clients who may be a perfect fit for your personal training services. So why should you consider a joint venture campaign? The answer is simple. It's a win-win situation. By joining forces with another business, you can expand your reach. You can attract highly targeted leads that are already interested in health and wellness. Plus, you enhance the overall client experience by offering a comprehensive solution to their specific needs. Now let's take a look at how you can implement a successful joint venture campaign for your business. I'm going to walk you through the steps so that you can start crafting your own partnership and be able to offer them in no time. Okay, first up is step one, and that's identify complementary businesses. So the first step is to identify businesses in your local area that complement your personal training services. For our example, I'm going to consider partnering with a massage therapist. Their clients often seek relaxation, stress relief, and overall well-being, making them an ideal fit for our target audience. Step two, we reach out to the massage therapist and we introduce ourselves. We highlight the potential benefits of collaborating and how it can mutually enhance our businesses. So we can establish a connection and lay the foundation for a successful partnership. Next, it's time to craft an irresistible offer that combines the services of both businesses. For example, you could create a special fitness program exclusively for the massage therapist clients. So think tailored workouts, stress relieving exercises, and personalized wellness plans designed for busy professionals aged 45 plus. Now it's time to create eye-catching promotional materials to showcase the joint offer. So here we could develop brochures, flyers, or digital graphics that highlight the value and benefits of this unique collaboration. Make sure to emphasize a holistic approach and the incredible results clients can achieve by combining fitness and massage therapy. Finally, it's time to launch and promote your joint venture campaign. Leverage your marketing channels, social media platforms, and of course your email lists to spread the word. Collaborate with the massage therapist to cross-promote the offer to their clients, and don't forget to track the results and measure the success of this new partnership. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to a successful joint venture campaign. And this is only the start. Continue by reaching out to complementary businesses, craft each individual unique offer, and watch as your client base expands. And if you're like me, you're the type of person who likes to have a template to work from, don't worry, I've got your back. I've crafted one you can use, and you can grab a copy of this free resource by clicking the link in the notes section below. And remember, this is just the beginning. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll dive into another powerful strategy to attract new clients quickly. And if you've missed any of the previous videos, you can find them all in the series playlist. So take action and start building those strategic partnerships today. See you in the next video.